Blender is evolving day by day and has become very powerful. It has advantage that's free, so you don't have to pay monthly subscription like other 3D softwares. And you can achieve professional results with it, whether in architecture visualization or product design. Hello every designer, I am Kamil Altohamy, 3D designer with experience over 7 years in the field of product design. In this course, I will explain furniture design in details by example. The first project, we will model and render shoe bag, which is a storage for shoes, of course. Second project, we will design a drawer organizer from scratch, and you will see how we can apply materials and render, and you will see how we can apply materials and render that, as you can see in the screen. In the third project, we will model and render modern console table that you will not find anywhere else. The fourth project, which is very important, we will see how we can model shower caddy and soap holder from scratch. So this course is perfect for beginners and intermediate users of Blender, and it has a lot of valuable information. Don't hesitate or waste your time. This course is rich in valuable information and you will learn important tools in Blender. Enough talking, let's see how we can set up our Blender for modeling and product design.